Hello students, welcome to Sorosar classes. Today our topic is UPSC Civil Service exam paper, and here some questions are given. We will have to solve these questions. So now our first question is regarding Atal Pension Yojana. Which of the following statements is or are correct? Here three statements are given. The first statement is it is a minimum guaranteed pension. It is a minimum guaranteed pension scheme mainly targeted at unorganized sector workers. Unorganized sector workers. Now, the second statement is only one member of a family can join the scheme. Only one member of a family can join the scheme. The third statement is same amount of pension is guaranteed for the spouse for life after subscriber's death. And now we will have to select the correct answer using the codes that are given below. Here 4 codes are given. So now at first let me tell you what is Atal Pension Yojana. Atal Pension Yojana was previously known as Swavalamban Yojana. It was previously known as Swavalamban Yojana, and it was introduced by Dr. Manmohan Singh, and it was introduced by Dr. Manmohan Singh. Okay, now let me add a new page. Okay. And this Atal Pension Yojana is a government-backed pension scheme in India targeted at the unorganized sectors. Unorganized sectors. It was mentioned in the 2015 budget speech by Finance Minister Arun Jaitley. So in 2015 budget speech, this term was mentioned by Finance Minister Arun Jaitley. It was relaunched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 9th May in Kolkata. Relaunched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So this is Atal Pension Yojana, and the only condition is that the beneficiary should have a savings bank account. The only condition is that the beneficiary should have a savings bank account. Savings bank account. So here from the codes we can say that option C, that is 1 and 3 only, is the correct answer. That is, it is a minimum guaranteed pension scheme mainly targeted at the unorganized sectors workers, as I said it before, and same amount of pension is guaranteed for the spouse for life after subscriber's death. So here option C is the correct answer. Now let's go to our next question. Here is our next question, and the question is, on which of the following can you find the Bureau of Energy Efficiency star level? And here 3 options are given, that is ceiling fans, electric geysers, tubular fluorescent lamps, and we will have to select the correct answers using the codes given below. And here are the codes. 4 codes are again given. So now at first let me tell you what is Bureau of Energy Efficiency star level. This scheme was launched by the Honorable Minister of Power Honorable Minister of Power in May 2006 and is currently invoked for equipments or appliances for room air conditioner and it is currently invoked for equipments or appliances such as room air conditioner. Okay, let me add a new page. Okay, such as room air conditioner, ceiling fan, color television, computers, direct cool refrigerators, distribution transformers, domestic gas stoves, and general purpose industrial motor, industrial motors, solid state inverter, etc. So here among the options, option D, that is 1, 2 and 3 is the correct answer. That is ceiling fans, electric geysers and tubular fluorescent lamps. All these are correct answer. So option D is the answer. Okay, now let's go to our next question. Okay, so here is our next question, and the question is, India is an important member of the International Thermonuclear Experimental Reactors. If this experiment succeeds, what is the immediate advantage for India? Again, here four statements are given, and then some quotes are given. We will have to choose the correct one. Okay, so the first statement is, it can use thorium in place of uranium for power generation. So the first statement is, it can use thorium in place of uranium for power generation. The second statement is, it can attain a global role in satellite navigation. So the second statement is, it can attain a global role in satellite navigation. The third statement is, it can drastically improve the efficiency of its fission reactors in power generation. And the last statement is, it can build fusion reactors for power generation. Now, ITER is ITER, that is the short form of International Thermonuclear Experimental Reactor. Here, International Thermonuclear Experimental Reactor, that is ITER. It is R&D on nuclear fusion. Nuclear fusion. Now, which is safer, cleaner, and inexhaustible source of energy? It is safer, cleaner, and inexhaustible source of energy. So these are of prime consideration for India. So this is why option D, that is, it can build fusion reactors for power generations, is the correct answer. So this is the answer.